Hi, this is David Paul. Wanted to let you know a few details about the live class we do each week. Some people are just excited about playing, and they're going to find everything they need on the recordings and in the written music, or if they're playing by ear, learning from the videos. But some people, they really enjoy having someone they can connect with every week, and it helps them move forward. It helps them understand things better. And in this live setting, I can answer questions of students who come to the class. And I can share the songs in ways that just aren't practical on a video, just gets to be too much. So, for example, the Ode to Joy song, I could break it down a little bit more. We could talk about the pinky finger on the C and on the B. We could talk about this rhythm. I could slow it down, right? We could talk about the melody in little chunks and echo it. And then the new part and echo it. And then we could learn how to bring things together. Right? So many of the ideas that are there on the video can be brought to life for the different songs. And in a live setting, the students guide what I share and how I share it. And we'll even be able to go into some new songs. Some of the materials are protected by copyright, so we could really only do them in a setting where you would get the music from a publisher and we wouldn't be using it in a copyrighted situation, so it would be fine. It'd be just like a regular lesson. So some students really will grow a lot faster. They'll fall in love with music more if they can have their questions answered, if they can see a live person who can actually play and do the things that they're working on. It really helps them. So that's available to you. You create a live class subscription, and then you have access through a Zoom link, and I'll create archives where the lessons are recorded, and you can tap into that resource as well.